In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create stop motion animation activities using Google Slides. This is a fantastic tool for educators or anyone interested in animation to create simple yet effective animations without the need for advanced software. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you can follow along effortlessly. Let's start by navigating to Google Slides. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Google Slides website. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to log into your Google account now. It's essential to have access to personalize your activities and save your progress. After logging in, you'll land on the Google Slides homepage. Here you have the option to start fresh or choose a template that best suits your project. For the sake of this tutorial, click on the blank presentation to create a new slide deck. But if you prefer a template to give your animation a more structured starting point, feel free to explore the available options. Once you've opened a new presentation, it's time to add visual elements by selecting an image. You can either upload images from your computer, search on the web, or use images stored in your Google Drive. Choosing the right images is important because they act as your animation frames, giving life to the stop motion flow. Next up, we need to prepare for adding movement to these images. Click on View at the top menu of your screen. This will open a drop-down menu guiding you to the next necessary option. Among the listed choices, you want to click on Motion. Doing so sets the stage for animating your selected images by providing you with the necessary tools. Now that you have access to motion options, let's focus on adding animations. Under the Motion tab, you will see Object Animations. Click here to begin defining how each image transitions in your presentation. You will be able to animate objects by adjusting their position, timing, and smoothness for seamless transition effects. To perfect your stop motion, take advantage of adjusting these animation settings until they mimic the desired movement. Remember, small and gradual changes often create the most natural look in stop motion films. After setting up the animations, preview your work by stepping through the slides in presentation mode. This preview will show you how your animations come together, allowing you to make any necessary adjustments for smoothness or timing. And there you have it, the basics of creating a stop motion animation using Google Slides. Experiment with different images, animation speeds, and movements to get the feel and flow just right. This method is not only fun, but an innovative way to bring presentations to life, making them more engaging and interactive, whether for classroom activities or creative projects.